When it comes to success, there's only two things that come to mind: freedom and stability. Here's a few things that I learned that helped me put me in the position that I'm in right now. Learn how to stay in a growth mindset. What is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is a belief that people could develop their intelligence, their talents through practice, efforts, and feedback. Now, my question is, how do you know if you have a growth mindset? Well, you persist consistently, you embrace challenges, and on top of that, you always seek for improvement. Based off what I said, do you have a growth mindset? You may have heard of the frontal lobe, the part of our brain that develops last. Man, you know what I'm talking about, your higher cognitive functions. At a certain age, that frontal lobe closes. Now, whatever mindset that we had before it closed, we're stuck with that. You're basically a bitch. Nah, I'm joking. You just got a fixed mindset. You avoid challenges. You basically ignore all the feedback. And basically everything on this list right here. Basically a bitch. Just when more people start becoming more conservative with their investments and really how they invest their time, because the risk tolerance starts getting lower and lower, along with their loss tolerance as well. Now, did I have a growth mindset? No. I always started off with just taking action. That's what I believe in, truly. But, some people, they might be scared of taking the action. You know what I'm talking about? Of course, I don't blame you, feel what I'm saying? Taking a jump off of a cliff that's 50 foot high, you're most likely going to die. But if you have, 100 feet of water below you, or 200 feet of water below you, you might live. So, I took that jump, nigga. I took that risk. I'm saying at the same time, it's not even taking a risk, brody. What it really is, it's believing in yourself. That's all it is. That's all you have to do. Believe in yourself truly, bro. All the shit that you have on the side, all the shit that you want to do and actually complete, it could be completed. You could go ahead and manage those things. Make sure you have enough money set for yourself to the side if anything gets crazy. Make sure you have at least 10 bands stuck in a high yield savings account or anything like that for you, just in case you need to, pay some bills or something like that. Have a leaky gasket or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? But really just prepare yourself before you start going to your goals. Don't just go blindly, nigga. Go with the plan. You gotta think. Now, I just wanted to ask you, do you have a fixed mindset? If you do, only if you do, hit the link in my bio. I got something that can help you with that.